Here's Me Plus app review, just a quick tutorial for you to know how to use this app. Very interesting app actually. You can think like, yeah, it's super simple, or what is this about? Basically, it's just like a calendar for your self routines, for your habits, and it's like a habit tracker. It's very easy to use this app. It's very simplistic, very minimalistic kind of, and then you can just open it up. I was just playing with it. You create your account, and how it looks like is just basically your calendar, and then you add all the different habits and routines, habits which you want to make daily routines. This is not your work calendar. This is not for office meetings and all of that. This is just app focused on yourself. So, if you wanted to improve your health, your mental health, your fitness, all other aspects, or just add more structure to your life, this is one of the definite top apps you should try out. Like, for example, you just wanna, do yoga or do some stretch. So let's just add some routines. So you just tap on the plus button. There are all these pre-selected routines. There are bigger list here. There are some popular ones, but you can also add your own routine. But let's say I want to add stretch. Just tap add stretch. I can do a repeat every week. I can just add a specific goal, like one time per day. I just want to do one stretch per day. I can do a checklist or not, then I can just tag it, and then I can just add it. So habit added, and then when I go, I will see it here in my calendar. So then in my calendar, I just have a nice view of all the habits I need to do today. So yoga 20 minutes and stretch, for example. And why this app is actually so powerful, because you're forming habits from these things. This is not like just some sporadic actions. Oh, I want to do yoga once per month and then I forget. But you just constantly create these calendar events, and you also receive reminders, and basically you do like small amount every day, and in some period you will notice that this is becoming part of your day, part of your daily routine. And then you will see that, like, okay, I'm doing yoga every day for 20 minutes, and that has a really good effect. And then, if you've done it, you can just check it. You can see goal, and then you can just tap completed, and then you just complete it. So that's how simple it is, but you need to do it like every day, and therefore it will have a positive effect. That's the whole power of this app. That you add in all of these important habits into your calendar. You not just sporadically, I will do that sometime. That will never happen. Like if you you want to clean your room, like you just add a specific date, time, like when you want to just complete that task. Then you also have here discover some nice infographics which you can or not, like all these routines, all some, I don't know, ebooks, whatever, some templates which you can have here, and then you can add it to your routine and then just tap save it. So these are like templates. Then also there is library. There are a lot of meditation, sleep tracking, alarms, all of the things you can try out. And then there is a profile. You just see your calendar and all of that. Also, you can install a home screen widget, lock screen widget from here. So you can just go to the help center, for example, if you want to install it. Widgets, just read this tutorial, or just as same as you install any home screen widget, just tap on the home screen. You will see apps jiggling, and then just add the widget. So yeah, that's basically the idea, how you can change the order. You can just swipe it like that. Here, if you just wanted to add task only once, you don't add a repeat cycle. So that's what it is basically. So that's what it is. What else? Like, yeah, if you want to delete a task, just tap on a task, scroll to the bottom, and then you will be able to delete it. If you want to add your own routine, you can just tap add my own and then give some details about it and add your icon and color. But most of the most common habits and routines are already in this app. It's only if you have something very specific you can do it. So give a try to this app. It's very easy to use, but yet it's quite powerful.